Video is about how to create hyperlinks on your desktop for websites that you frequently use. And I'll also show you how to insert a picture or a PNG file actually that will serve as a recognizable icon for the website. You'll notice I have quite a few of those here on my desktop. So let's say I want to make a hyperlink for my Yahoo Mail. So I could go to Safari here, and you'll notice here's my Yahoo, and if I simply highlight the URL, drag and highlight the URL, I can then drag that from the URL box to my desktop. Bam, and you see it over here to the left. Cool, so let's position this here. It's not that glamorous looking, right? So why don't we touch it up, add a little picture. So what you do is you go back into Safari, and you'll notice I started doing some Google searches. I typed Yahoo logo PNG. PNG is a file that we'll use to insert a picture. And then transparent is helpful because it'll just look nicer unless you want a big block with white background like this. This probably would give you that. But I found one that's transparent. It's a PNG file. So what you do is you right click on the one you want, and then you'll click Save Image As, and then you would click wherever you want to save it. So how about I save it to my documents? That'll work. Now I already did that before I started this video. Since I've already taken this step of saving, I'm going to show you the result. After clicking Save, we'll go to the Finder, because that's how we access all of our files and documents. Here's Finder down here, and then I go to, there's Documents. There's my file. And so what I can do now is I can double click that, and there it is. So what we'll do next is we're going to click Edit right here. And we want to copy this PNG image onto my desktop. So I'm going to copy it. Bam. So now it's copied. And now we're going to tap, we're actually right click on this link. And we're going to go to Get Info. There we go. And I'm going to left click here on this icon right here. Actually, I've just tapped, if you tap anywhere in the window, then you can start doing stuff on here. Now I'm going to tap again. It's a left tap. You see how there's a blue border surrounding this? Now it's ready for me to do something with it. So I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to paste from my clipboard, because remember I copied the Yahoo PNG image on my clipboard. So now I'm going to paste that in. All right, cool. So it's there. Now you'll notice where it says Hide Extension. You could uncheck that, and then you'll notice that it might actually show you what kind of file is in there. I'm going to click Hide Extension, and that'll make the title of the link a little bit cleaner and nicer looking. So there we go. And now we're going to just X out of this, and cool. Well, there it is. See, it's fairly subtle. It's not an eyesore. If your desktop background is a lighter color, then the Yahoo would show up better. So take that into consideration when you're choosing the icon. How about I rename this? I'll just call it, and I right clicked on it, by the way. I'm going to call it Mail. There we go. And there you go. So that's how you do that. Oh, I'm going to drag and drop. How about I put it like, I don't know, how about over here? Yeah, perfect. And that's how you create a hyperlink on your desktop.